So I got the motor back here. I use a few things. I used to use this right here. I just so happened to find that can and it was full. But now I use this right here just to start off with, and then I use the Power Purple. And after that, I use any kind of oven cleaner. If y'all don't believe me, go check out the Cutlass video. Oven cleaner works. So I'm gonna start off with this. It already has degreaser on there. If y'all see me spraying it, I don't know if I posted that video yet, but this is the foamy kind. It just kind of sits up on there like the oven cleaner, and it basically it goes from this to like it just disappears. It disappears like that, and it just brushes right off. I dropped this one so you can see it's broke, but she's still bust though. Watch. You know what I'm saying? She still put in work. Oh man, she getting everywhere though. So I'm about to waste literally this whole can. Okay, hold on, y'all. This mess, she leaking. She soaking wet. Hold on. Next day, it's hotter than hell outside. About to bust off all these accessories. Start degreasing. I know I said I was gonna promise y'all footage, but man, no lie, it's super hot right now, man. Look, I got her back, she's showing out now. Back like she never left, baby. It is too hot out here, man. These gloves is freaking melting my hand. Why is the coil packs off on that side? I don't remember taking them off, or maybe I did. I'm gonna have to use parts for this side. It's stripped off. But basically everything's already off. Well, I'm gonna extract that bolt. So far, nope, another one right there. LS motors are known for doing that crap, man. Always breaking them down. Ain't known for that crap. Y'all need to fix that. That's hot. I want you right now. Can't keep your eyes on it. I want you right now. Drunk off swabs. That spark plug broke. Don't get tired, baby. You gotta put in some work. Can't believe how much time I wasted without these impacts. Crazy. It's crazy. Y'all know what that means. She about to shut off. That temperature warning. That temperature warning probably for me too, though. All this crap. This is about a good 200 pounds. That's coming off. Y'all know what that means. She about to shut off. That temperature warning. That temperature warning probably for me too, though. All this crap. This is about a good 200 pounds. That's coming off. with the heat. I got this done in about 20 minutes. Got her bust all the way down in about 20 minutes. Actually looks pretty clean in there. The guy I got the motor from, he said it has 89,000 miles on it. I ran a Carfax on it, and the Carfax, yeah, it said 90 something, whatever the heck it was. Carfax always gets a little bit higher. Can't remember right now, my head is kind of boiling. So I'm about to spray some more degreaser on there now that I got it all the way down. This time I found a new top to that degreaser that I was spraying yesterday. This can is hot, man. Like always, try not to spray it inside the block. And like I was saying before, she really cut off. I'm gonna spray it with the intake on this time. I don't feel like turning the block upside down and spinning it and all this and all that. Doing too much work. Spinning the crank to get it out. It's just doing too much work, man. But I will be popping that collar and make a holler for $1. This damn can is hot. Got all that just coming off, man. And then we're gonna use that PP like a phone went on temperature mode about 4 times, no lie. But like I was saying before I was really interrupted, PP, like I used to do in the bed. I already sprayed most of it. This crap right here works, man. I don't even think I'm gonna have to use the oven cleaner. Y'all probably like, it's by the oven. Nah, it was specially made for LS's. Don't get it twisted. This is the main part where y'all want to get up in here, all up in there. All this crap right here is gonna come right out. Don't worry about that. So I focus up in these 2 areas and on the block. I already sprayed this side, but it's dry. I put a gang of coats and a gang of layers on this, man. This side I never sprayed yet. I don't care about the oil pan because I'm not using it.